So yeah, guys, it's all gonna be done later on today.
Yeah, welcome to my kingdom.
Guys, if you guys own an IS Lexus second generation, you know that the interior is nothing premium, nothing sporty, nothing special, nothing at all. So I decided to update my interior and modify it, making it feel a little bit more premium. First and foremost, let's talk about color theory and material. Shoes for this particular Lexus of mine. So the interior is black leather. Obviously black matched with a lot of color, but for me, I decided to go with white carbon fiber, a little bit of blue and red. What is blue and red in my car? Well, you guys will know soon, but let's talk about the white carbon fiber plus the Alcantara for now. So anything that is wood interior, in the beginning, I mean, guys, it's fucking ugly, right? The wood interior. So I decided to change that to a white carbon fiber. Carbon fiber come with many pattern. That's camouflage, that's bigger print, smaller print. Being me, I wanted to put the white carbon fiber into the gear knob and steering wheel as well. So I went with a smaller print. I had that on my steering wheel on the bottom part, my gear. The gear is also matched with Alcantara, but the center console and side of the door where all the window buttons are. To make that a little bit more special, I also added my branding on the center console of the car. So I got two things, bro. Can you hand me the hat in the back, please? We got something written in Japanese because Lexus from Japanese and I grew up in Japan. It says Oreo Higari, means I am light. So I put that on. I custom printed it. It's like a 3D print and put it on before they put the resin onto the carbon fiber. I also have my logo of my company on, so I'll put the logo up here. That's MVP Ambient Lighting, which we're going to talk about it towards the end of this video. I'll tell you guys why that also made the car special. Now we're done with the white interior. I didn't go wild and change the whole Alcantara to the dashboard, but I did on the side of the door and on the armrest piece. Plus, partially on my steering wheel on the top because on the bottom I have carbon fiber on it. The reason that I went with this particular Alcantara is because the way it feels better on my hand, because you know, feeling got a lot to do with making things feel, or you feel premium or not, right? Again, we want the Lexus to feel special. So there's three options that I was presented with. There's the German Alcantara, there's the Italian Alcantara, and there's the Japanese Alcantara. So you said Japanese Alcantara, well, the car is Lexus, it's from Japan. So I went with the Japanese Alcantara. Plus, it was a little bit softer on my hand. Didn't feel as rough, but hey, you know, you guys could like the Italian one more, who knows? But those are the one I recommend, and those are the one that you're most likely gonna be presented with. To top that Alcantara and make it a little bit more special, like I said, black match with red and blue. Now, I didn't want to go with a red stitching like the Honda Civic Type R. No offense to Honda Civic Type R. I think that kind of red has been overused and it's more for like racing car. It'd probably add like 10 more horsepower if you have it. But I wanted a red with like a hint of magenta and pink. So I got this red right here. Hold on, guys. I went to this place where my girlfriend go buy all her Craftsman utensils to make Craftsman goodies inside the house, knitting, gritting, you know, t-shirt and things like, you know, stuff that girls are good at doing. Anyways, so I found this stitching. It's called stitching, right? Or knitting. Stitching, knitting. This knitting material, it's kind of red, but I don't know if the camera would pick up the right shade of red on it. But it's red with magenta and purple on it. So this was stitched into the side of the door, the gear, and the center console armrest. So having that now, we're color matching white with black with red. Sounds really beautiful. It's all coming together, right? Now, to top it off, let's go with the ambient now. So all your Lexuses come with a certain type of ambient lighting. That is all the buttons on your console, your speedometer, your window button, your radio button. Now, the one that come with Lexus are green. old school nasty green, and didn't feel nothing special. It's like Toyota. It's like, I'm sure every country you go to and you get into Toyota taxi, that's the green they have. Some have newer blue, but so I was like, well, how do I delete all this and get new buttons? Because some of them don't even show, like the aircon vent and the side window, they're barely lighting up. So I was like, how the fuck do I do this? It's not just like your regular T5, T10 bulb. Research. Found a guy in Malaysia. His name's Patrick. Got a Facebook page called PCKH. He does this, especially for the Lexus IS. Contacted him. Now, being me, I live in Thailand. I had to take apart everything from my radio head unit, my window buttons, and my speedometer to send it to him because I wanted all this delete, and I wanted in 2 color combination that would match the interior of my car. Being cool white and ice blue, not normal blue, because I think normal blue is kind of like taxi-ish. It's kind of hideous. So ice blue, and the guy did it. The guy did it really fast. It didn't cost much. Me shipping it with DHL and the tax coming back to my country in Thailand probably cost more than how much this custom job was. Now, what he did that was really special was that my needle also get changed to ice blue, the needle on the speedometer. But not only that, he put this kind of material in the back of the speedometer where it looked like meshed up polished metal, and he 3D printed my name on that. So that was really personalized, and now it makes my car feel really personal. Like, obviously it's mine, it's got my logo, my name, and my brand, and my name 3D printed on it. So that was really special, and that's what I did to my car, guys. Last but not least is the sound system, but we're gonna talk about that one later because that's a whole other topic of its own. Matter of fact, it's gonna be the next video, so stay tuned because I got a lot of question about this. So that's the interior update on my Lexus IS 250. Now going into the car, I didn't say this myself, but a lot of my friends who had the opportunity to drive my car, because he owns a car wash shop and he picks up my car to go get it cleaned up in detail from time to time when I'm working, says, yo, Mike, your car feels really special when I'm driving in it. The material you choose, the lighting, is it that? I'm like, well, it works if the first thing you say is special. So that's what I did. I didn't go wow, I didn't JDM out. I just wanted the car to feel more premium, more special, and give me a sense of, calm and relaxation when I go into the car, and always kind of wanted to be in the car. Plus, the cologne I use in the car is really awesome. It's Zara Woman. It's called White, I think. They don't make it anymore, but I just use Google camera to search it, and then now they still have it in Spain, so I have to order it. So now it's the whole thing combined, right? The sense, the touch, the taste, and the sound. That's what I did to my Lexus. Hopefully this video will help you guys choose the next product or the next modification list you want to do to the interior of your Lexus. And if you have any question on what the fuck you should get, where you should get it, or even how much it costs, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. And last but not least, the whole entire thing I did for my interior because I choose all my own material, and the shop that did it, I kind of partially am partnering up with them. So it cost me a little over $1,200 to do the whole entire thing, excluding the sound system. And it shouldn't cost you guys that much more if you guys can pick up your own materials and products. So get that done. Link for PCKH down here. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace and love.